Yep.
Is that small?
No, it's a good one.
No, this is big.
What? You want fish?
佢裝落好啫嘛，帶落知道啫嘛，帶埋知道啫。攞住薄件好要可能一樣高，你問人懵，你薄嘢啫嘛。
You gotta get that one get stuck, boy. That one sink fast. Oh, it's starting to rain.
I think I got my umbrella in here. Nope, I put it away. Gotta be prepared. So life saving right there. That's probably like $1,000 or more. 多。
他们有人还是适合，有人不适合。我是属于不适合。
关键你都踩不这几次以来，就一年掉一次，那不算的。一年掉一次，你都。
Well, they're starting right now.
像人家有些人每天都去跳，然后高了高。掉一条。
任务完成了。
没有，还差一条。
还差一条。
掉到了吗？掉了一条。
Okay, I'm gonna catch you. You fall. Hi. They're biting. I just can't hook them. It's a big fish.
星星大增了啊！下雨了，下雨了。
这个钓鱼就是越钓到越有兴趣，越不钓。
Oh, yep, I can do it. Me too. I can.
你就出来了。
Did you bring an umbrella?
Our umbrella sink.
好像是雨啊。夏天下雨之前。
Oh, you went swimming?
Right in that hole.
Really?
Yeah, where that buoy? You know that red buoy?
So it plugs up the hole now?
Oh. That's the other day when we whacked the fish.
Yeah.
Oh, we were catching them like crazy.
Yeah. Maybe I'll go there tomorrow.
And don't grab an umbrella there.
鱼钓不到，它老是咬钩。
你怎么跟个那个青蛙似的跑来跑去的？
挂钩了，
还有一条。
还差一条。星星大增了。
Jennifer, she's a different kind.
我也不。然后爸妈，
关键是要钓得到就可以在那钓。有钓一天一定。
It's like they all went off somewhere. I can see them. They're right there, Shane. Right in front of you.
Right here?
Yeah. Right where mine's at. She told you. Oh, fish!
Did you get a whole bucket already?
Yeah, a whole bucket. A whole empty bucket.
We'll see. Ooh.
Oh, I thought that was the fish making noise.
How would you think that would be the fish?
Yeah, I'm recording. I'm recording. I'm recording.
you can reel it in.
叫好手啊，叫好，靠近手啊，给
但是我去年有了红包，我就说等一下，其实他就发了一个，第一个人抢到就得了。
他是一张发红包不会发一个的，发500还是发包的口。
Jigs. You're gonna catch so many fish with this jig, but they messed up.
Oh, rainy buddy.
Yeah, just put a sinker on it. Make it go faster.
Or sinker on the bottom.
You got a big sinker on yours?
Yeah, on the bottom. It used to be one of those big hooks. I just cut the hook off so it don't get snagged.
Oh, let's go.
下雨了。
Oh, dang. Inside? Give me a key. I don't have keys.
你先出发等哈，你要第一条我叫我
Give me a key.
哎，
You sit in the car?
Yay, rain.
Or you guys take
Ooh.
No, what boat?
Uh-oh.
Let's go.
今天我看到有鱼这样跳到水面，跳出来了，
哎，你不是要带个网来的呀？我记得。
用小网用不大网，两边钓。
但是估计
They're not in there no more.
Yeah, they are.
Ah? 什么？
老公，要不我来钓一次吧？
哎，你这甩的挺远的。
就差一个嘛。
嗯，个子比较重一点，个子重，
我看你钓的好辛苦哦。
是好辛苦。
No danger, though.
人家钓得到，我钓不。
来，拿我来钓一次。
你看他，我还有，
别再打我来家了。
you are so good.
好，沉水里去了。
You been here all day?
Huh?
You guys been here all day?
Yeah, almost all day. Yeah.
Came in at 10 o'clock.
10 o'clock? Wow.
Yeah, we only got 2.
10 o'clock, I still sleeping.
What did I did one more fish.
Not come here so early. 老公，我来。
Yeah, usually they bite better when it's late. They should be starting.
往哪边？这边是收是吧？
来搜一下。挂钩了。
Oh my gosh！
没事，我来。
我来钓一次。
Oh, he yanked it out of his mouth.
啊，
怎么甩？
我来甩了。这说到底的。快点拿好这把。就按这个反正这个。 边甩边松。啊。
哦。
好了，那把收上。让它沉一下底，然后收一下，停一下，然后再飞一下。你看它怎么收？你看它怎么收？你看收一下，再抖两下。
Ah, I saw them take it. Maybe I had to put 2 hook on. Ooh, got him. I can see him, man. I can see him take it.
哎，
Stop！ 你说什么？打开是吧？
Did you get one?
啊 ，stop。
Oh, you got a snag.
哎呀，今天钓真
A
没。
big one.
钓两下就是整个拉要装出。哎
It's like wants to take it, but didn't take it. They're just right down there. You see that? Come right there. Looking.
但是你还是乱钓了。
Looking. Look at that. Whoa. So many of them everywhere. See mine?
Provo River white bass.
I should have just put one on my fly jig on. It's trying to bite it.
I know, I can see them. You know, I think they're scared. This jig is like all demolished. Get another one. This thing's like $4 for a pack of 10, dude.
Yeah, that's why I find mine.
I bought about $100 worth of that fly tying stuff, and it's still sitting in my garage.
Once you learn how to tie it, it's not bad.
I bought like $120 worth of ice jigs last night. Couldn't sleep.
You guys didn't work last night?
Yes, I haven't been working for the last couple of days.
Shit, last night we had to go cover the vents. Again. I was stuck with it.
Got 4 days off. Oh man, they took it. I just can't. Maybe I need to put a bigger hook on.
Let's see more.
Oh, here we go again. I might just get one bucket today. Well,
我要看一下他怎么弄的。
Let's throw mine up too far.
oh, I can see him right there chasing it.
I know.
Oh my gosh!
Yeah.
How did you do that?
Let's flick it out.
Really?
Yeah.
I cannot do it. Do you need to loose this one side first?
Yeah, you have to open it.
Ah, okay.
It makes a big difference.
Ah,
Yeah.
frustrated. Gosh.
Take it. Oh, oh.
Oh my gosh!
There goes my fly. It just went in the water. Oh, my good fly.
I'm telling you, man. Just do what I do.
Wow, you're so fast.
Oh, a lot of fish in there. They just, you just gotta make them bite.
Yeah, now we got an orange and pink one now.
Huh? The orange and pink that.
Yeah.
What's the difference? Even the color can cause the difference?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, they're picky.
换成 orange 跟 pink，
Yeah, bright fluorescent color.
你看，
啊
换成 orange 跟 pink，
我那个
难怪你的是 yellow， so that's why it
It's
doesn't
okay,
work.
the bite's same. They want to bite, they bite.
Gotta know how to work it.
You
You know?
How about my yellow one? Does it work?
Well, if they see it, they'll bite it. Maybe it's your line. Your line's probably too big.
so that is go down. Go
Yeah.
down then.
Yep.
Okay. There's so many fish I can see, but
Yeah, there's more in there.
yeah.
More over here. Well, it's deeper. You can't see them, but they're in there.
Just follow your way. Oh, I can see the fish.
老公，人家也就来1、2个小时钓完就走，我们这耗一天要钓几次？
我们主要是聊着玩的时候。 Oh, this one's long.
Oh. Uh-oh. You got yours. That's your line from earlier?
Yeah. Oh. 又断掉，所以带你微信呢。
你的杆不好。
我一甩过去的。我那个是好多啊，那个是，也搞半天。
It's a deep hole right there, dude. Huh? They're being picky. I think they're spooked. They might be spooked or something. Oh, you don't got no more ice jigs?
Oh, I do.
Oh
I
my
got some
gosh.
flies that I just made up. I lost that good one though. The white one, huh? Green and white. I only tied up like 3.
Yeah?
Stupid thing. Now it's like I'm down to 1 left. It'll work. This one will bite. It looked like a bug. This one's red and chartreuse.
That stuff expensive, man.
What, a fly like that?
No, just the materials.
Oh, wow. There.
Takes practice. Gotta practice.
Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Door.
老公，那个坠子应该挂在鱼饵的上面。
Nice ice jig in the last.
下面。
Oh, the white one?
They always bite the green color. Green and orange.
它那个坠子在下面，你的东西才能掉下去，然后又不会挂钩。没有 ，really？ 我待会看一下。
我问问他们这个。
不信你待会你看他的。
Do you think something wrong about the way I make it?
Oh, you're gonna have to. You can't catch anything with that.
How to?
Your hook's bent.
Oh, so how to?
Your hook is way bent. You can't catch nothing with that. Even if they do bite, you won't be able to catch anything with that.
Oh.
Your hook's bent.
And this piece should be longer than the bat, right?
Well, I just do that because
So that
'Cause I
can
want
prevent the stuff.
Yeah,
the
so it won't
leaves,
snag.
anything. Okay.
if I do snag, I just lose this.
So how about this way?
That's
This is
not gonna work. Okay, loosen your line. Wow, that is a huge line. What is that? 20 pound?
I don't know. I just.
I think that's like 20 pound, dude.
Oh, this is not the right for the fish.
Well, your line is too big,
Okay.
and I think they can see it.
Oh.
And I think you need a smaller. Okay, the way to put these on. Okay, hold on a second. Let me get my plier so I don't hook my finger. Okay. Cut this off. Okay.
So this is the wrong way. Right?
Yeah, your hook is bent, so when the fish bite, you won't catch nothing. You gotta make sure your hook is straightened back out. Okay, your hook's supposed to be like that.
Oh.
And this
Leave all my flies on.
This goes under like this, from the top all the way through.
Oh, I see.
Yeah, this one's supposed to go under like that.
Professional, this one.
Yeah, that's how it's supposed to be.
Okay.
If it works, you should be able to catch it.
And also the line.
Yeah, your line is too big.
Okay, get smaller line.
Yeah, you got like 20 pound right there. You can probably catch an elephant. and he won't get away.
拿个钩呀，
对，他说这个线太粗了，鱼很看得上。
Are they still in there?
Mm-hmm. It just won't bite. I just lost another fly.
They still bite. I just haven't been fishing, that's all.
I'm gonna have to put my other one.
I got some little green tube chartreuse jig.
We'll try it. Put that on.
It should work. It's just like one of those little ice fishing things.
Oh, that sucker wants to take my sinker instead. I just put one fly right there in my sinker. You know though, they do go after my sinker. I'm gonna put a gold
Just put a hook.
fly on. Ice jig. Oh, see that? They go after my sinker.
Well, you put your sinker on the bottom. You put your sinker on top. They're gonna be chasing your sinker. Put your sinker on the bottom. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. You see that? Big old whole school right there, man. This is not a game fish, huh?
Nope.
So I should be able to get him with a cast net.
No, you can't. That's illegal for state.
Really?
Yeah.
I thought only for game fish.
Nope.
Maybe I'll try two on the catch two at a time.
I had him. He got off.
Oh, there you go again. Wow. How many buckets do you think is in there?
Right here,
Oh, they're in there. Maybe you ought to do what I do.
You get
No, just tie a bottom jig on there. Put a jig on top and tie the sinker on the bottom. That way you hook. That way your jig is floating while it keeps it bouncing on the bottom.
damn it, I'm losing everything.
Well, you better do what I suggested. That way, this way, when you lose it, you only lose that sinker on the bottom.
I'm starting to lose all my jigs. My gold jigs. I only got one more left. Oh, two more left. Then the rest is all multicolored, funky colored.
I was using the white one, it works good.
The what? The little hook?
Yeah.
What you doing, bud?
Ooh, got him. About time.
Is your mom still sitting in the car? No. Huh?
No.
Where's she at? She's what?
Over there.
You're all out. Your mom coming?
Huh?
You smell?
Whoa.
Thought you guys were afraid of the rain. You guys gonna melt?
Maybe.
No good, huh? Mm-hmm. Sometimes, like that. Do all you want, no fish. You see this? I got a gold color. They ought to be bouncing off of this stuff. Right here.
Mommy.
The gold hook.
Dad, look what Mom has to do with Albert.
What are you doing, Albert?
He's sleeping.
You can believe how hard it is in the climb.
Uh-huh. You should open the window. Oh. It sinks too fast, man. They don't go for it. Oh.
Yes, they will.
Hey, Albert. What? You want to fish? on, but we get you fish.
Hey, you guys get out. So baby can sleep in there. Get out. Okay. Oh, 到这里。Yeah. 这个。
Not so fast.
I don't think it matters where you are.
You ready?
You can go up and down. You didn't catch one.
You're right. Doesn't matter.
My jacket?
没办法。
Here.
Albert.
Jacket?
So you go deep, then pull it back.
Yep, all the way to the bottom.
Oh, to the bottom here.
Yep. If you don't catch a fish, you will catch a snag.
You don't like this color either. Try the different color.
I have my own
Get your sawtooth color on there, man.
without this.
I think you say you had some sawtooth color
I
one.
do.
Nothing.
Oh, it got away.
You got the one?
Yeah, it got away.
Let me try this orange.
Orange
Yeah, orange one always works. 跟盆底呢拉回来。
one. Daddy wants
没用，我是
我呢，都只是
没办法。放坐。
taking.
Ai nhớ đã sao?
Look, no, I'm falling.
Ai nhớ định nó.
No, no.
Got a shirt.
Here, go to doing it. Yeah, don't care.
都肥了，保护皮。Albert, it's okay, babe. 唉 You getting hot again? 都是越视而不见。You didn't bring any medicine?
据说你明天早上找来，估计也没什么。
对，
还是有东西不一样。
对。Albert.
Was that the car? Yes, you did. Done, done, done.
你们蛮厉害嘛，一来一来搞一来。啊，那你就现在搞2条鱼。
一天来几个小时的？
Oh, look at that. I saw that one too.
This is too big of a line. I don't think it's gonna work.
Put a leader on it.
I think it works better with my fly.
Ooh, got one already.
I'll waste some time, boys.
Yep, that's why I put my the one that work. Use it. You ought to just try one of these.
Yeah,
I
why?
don't think it's gonna bite.
What are you doing? String bug?
You're getting high.
You don't think my fly rod works?
Yeah, snags. You're just gonna catch your kids.
No, I'm not even gonna swing it. I'm not even
Well,
gonna swing it.
you can keep try all you want. I'm catching fish. I think you can try whatever you want. I'm catching fish, so I'm gonna stick with this.
I'm just gonna drop it right there. Yeah, just like that. Just like that.
I don't know about the bobber.
来钓鱼就是来乐趣的，要一定要钓着，才有乐趣是吧？钓不着，你很抓死我。钓不着就是用你也没有这个饵，你也可以拿我们一个，
哦，
就拿我一个，就拿我一个饵，你都没抢，我还是要一抢回来可以。
Oh, I had him.